Hey guys, what's up? Back again another video, and today I'm going to be smashing fidget cubes. So let's get to it. So this is the fidget cube. So let's go. Can I do this with a hammer? Do I have to get something else? Oh, and if you didn't know, I'm moving to a new place, so people who want to stalk me, too bad. Like I'm moving sometime. So, looks like there's these little things. I'll show you. These little tiny things, you probably can't see them. They're tiny, and that's what makes those little noises. And this. So, it's just little tiny things that go on top of these. So, you just smash those. And then I've got the ball right here. Sorry for the lighting, my granny made me come outside. But, because this is at her house. And terrible lighting. And then it comes with, and I got that. And then from that, and then I'm smashing this. Sorry if I'm like this because I forgot my grammar today. Then the ball, and then this is kind of like, oh, this came out and broke at the same time. So try not to hit my private. So I missed. Okay guys, well this is taking forever. I want to really go ham on this, so let me get you guys. And I am going ham on this thing. Let's get to our other location that I also go. Okay. I don't know where it went. Okay, guys. Let me get you. It could have went this way, or it could have went this way. I'll rewatch the footage later. But for right now, I'm going to try to find it. Oh, there it is. I see it. It had a break. It for real had to break. Oh, where did this go? Oh, I made something go away. It's right here. It should be over here because I also heard something right here. I can't find it though. Okay, well. So this is what it looks like. That's that part. I made it fall off. That's what you heard, the second thing. Saw it. second, guys. Well, guys, looks like that is an end because it went under the porch and I did it. So let me go in and end this video. She said I had to bring the hammer back, so yeah, gotta put this hammer down. Whew. So looks like it was not going wrong, but it was also going wrong at the same time because I can't find my fidget spinner. Oh, is this my charger? Nope. Yeah.
No, you can. I'll call Mark. I can tell him what's happening and get me an earlier up there. If not, you can. You don't need to wait over a couple days.
Well,
we did.
while in this video, here, make sure to like and subscribe. So yeah. Peace.